Righty-ho. The main reason why I invited folks from Mentor Pro today, Forex Mentor Pro, is that well, this works for the start off. The most important thing, I started learning how to trade in 2002. I had semi-retired to live here in the Canary Islands, and I'd spent 8 hours, 10 hours a day doing this for 3 years. I got to the point where I wasn't losing anymore, but I wasn't winning, and I certainly wasn't winning enough to be able to make a living trading. And I really got to the point I was going to quit. It's the most frustrating thing I've ever done in my life. And the stress of it, it was causing me all sorts of problems and not being able to sleep and everything. And I took a break. And in that time, let the dust settle in my brain. And thankfully, I met up with Rich. And that was for me was the difference. I would have quit if I hadn't met Rich. So the point is that what he's going to be teaching you to this evening and what he's going to be discussing, it works. That's the priority. If you're not familiar with Rich, Rich started trading for Merrill Lynch back in 1983, I believe it was, Rich? 1983. So he actually appeared in a movie with, who was the movie you were in?
Kevin Bacon.
He was in the background with the tickets and all the rest of it. So I said to him the other week, I mean, he's got so much experience. He's probably got more experience than anybody on the planet on both sides of the fence, because he also then had his own trading firm. He then went on to employing other people working for him and started to realize about the psychological issues that folks have. What I was explaining, we were having a chat beforehand. I got folks with us today who are on a funded account with us now. And what people don't realize when they start this journey is that it's a progression, and there are different hurdles that will hit you along the way. And often moving from a demo account to real money account, particularly when you're trading somebody else's money, brings all sorts of new pressures and hurdles to you that you haven't even anticipated yet. So I teach a lot of folks privately, and as I was saying to Rich at the beginning, they don't realize the challenges that are going to come. And depending on what level that you are at now, there are other obstacles along the way. And the biggest issue I've found over the years is what's between your ears is what kills it, people. Anybody can learn how to trade from the technical perspective or the fundamental perspective, but it's all about what's between your ears will define whether you succeed or fail. So for me, Rich was the solution. I know there's quite a few of my private students with us this evening who have joined him in some form or other, and they've all given positive feedback. So I thank you so much from my point of view, Rich, because it helped me to be able to live where I do. And thank you so much.